Hey there, it's me, and I'm here to show you how to do here you go, listen and make activity. This is a quick tip in Seesaw. Basically, if you want your students almost to do a math problem, build a word, type a word, anything you can do, I'm going to show you how to do a very simple and quick activity. In fact, I'm going to go over to Seesaw, and I'm basically going to start from scratch by going to the activity library, and I'm going to go to assign activity. And I'm going to create a new activity. Okay, and let's just call this listen and make math. And I'll worry about my instructions later. I want to kind of show you the basic gist of it. So I'm gonna insert a video and ask students to do something. And so let me show you what that's going to look like. I'm going to go here in my video. I want to do a template. I want the students to be able to do a template. This is going to make a copy for each student. And I'm going to do a drawing. Now, I'm going to put this video so you don't get confused up here in the corner. Here you can see, here's my Seesaw activity. It's a blank drawing. So all I'm going to simply do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on the camera, and I'm going to turn on a video. Okay, here we go, video. I'm going to think about it. In this video, I'm going to ask students to do an addition problem where they're adding 2 plus 5. That's it. I just want them to draw it and write it. Okay, so watch what I'm going to do. All right. By the way, I do have a few things that do help me. These are available. I'll show you at coachben.org. And these are just some big Seesaw icons. They're free that you can print out that a friend of mine actually made. And so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give the instructions in a video. All right. So here we go. I'm going to hit video, and I'm just going to record a video. Okay, record a video, and here's my Kinder Rocket video. All right, hey, Kinder Rockets, it's me, Mr. C. And in this activity, what you're going to do is listen, and you're going to think about what I'm going to say, and you're going to write a math problem down and solve it. So I'm going to give you a math problem. So listen, right? You're going to use your pen to write it down. You can kind of record what you need to think. And then you're going to hit the check button, all right? And so just like we've done this in class. All right, so here's my problem. Are you ready for this? Okay. 2. And I want you to add 3. What is 2 plus 3? Write down 2 plus 3 and tell me what the total is. And record, okay? Remember, write down 2 plus 3. Record yourself thinking about it. And use the check button. All right, good job. I'm going to hit the done button up here. So now here's my video, but look, I can actually move and resize my video here. So look, it's a blank canvas, and I have this video here that I want students to listen to. Okay, and so look, I'm going to lock this right here so then students can't move it. And I'm going to put a little thing, watch me. All right, watch me. You're going to have to Google the emoji trick, by the way. Just kidding. If you're on a Mac, it's Control-Command-Spacebar. I know that's pretty fast, but you can Google that. So let's give them instructions, right? First, we want them to watch me, right? And oops, let's put that up here. By the way, a quick tip. If you drag this way, you'll change the size of the box. If you drag in the corner, at least on a PC, you'll change the size of the font. All right, same thing with this way, okay? Let's lock this in here. So first we want it to watch me, but let's make it a little bit more bright. Let's take it up to red here. Okay, so all I've done is I've inserted a video with my instructions. I did a text box to add some instructions, again, locking it, the 3 dots lock it. And then let's say I want even a little bit more scaffolding. This is an addition problem, right? So maybe what I could do is I could put in, let's see, some shapes. I had a plus and I had an equal sign, right? And maybe that's going to help. I can put this maybe right here. Okay. That way they know that they need to write something. Maybe even on top of that, look, I could put like a little box for them. I could draw it just like this, right? If I wanted to. Just draw a box. Okay. And one more box. So look at, I made a video with the instructions and I built the whole activity, right? Listen and make. All right. I could add some more instructions with a text box. Pretty simple, right? I'm going to show you one more. All right. Let's add a page down here. Okay. And for this one, I'm going to have them build a word. Okay. I'm going to have them build the word. So I think that they're going to need to use their hand, right? And then they're going to need to use their microphone. And then they're going to use this check right here. Okay, so in this one, I'm actually going to have the students, and I'm going to show you ahead of time. I'm going to have the students build the word, whatever word I want. Let's say the word's cat, and I want to pre-populate some of these in here. So again, I'm putting a C. I'm going to make it bigger, right? Let's put the C down here. Let's duplicate it if I want to. Let's do an A. Okay. There's an A. And let's do one more. Click on the 3 dots, duplicate it. Remember, you can go back and watch any of this later. Some of these skills. The 3 dots are right under the picture. So there's the word cat. I think this is capital T. Let's say even then I want to add some Elkonin boxes. Well, I could put in some shapes. Maybe I could look for some shapes, right? Or I could literally just, the simplest thing is to draw it. Maybe they're not going to be perfect. If I really wanted to, I could copy and paste something. But let's say I just wanted to have these right here. Very simple, again, quick. You can do it fancier, but we're just doing quick and easier. Quick and easy. All right, so same thing. I'm going to click here. I'm going to do a video, and I'm going to give my students the instruction. All right. Hey, students, how you doing? Today, I am going to have you build a word. All right, so you're going to have to, there's some letters in this activity. So for this, you're going to have to grab the letters and put them in the correct order in the boxes. Then I want you, like we do in class, record yourself reading the words and then hit this button, the check button, okay? So let's see if you can build this word. Are you ready? Here's the word. Cat. Cat. At. Cat. Cat. Remember, watch how I break down the word. You can play the video again. And remember, the word is cat. So make the word cat, record yourself reading that word, and hit the check button. All right, great job. Let's hit done again. Here's my video. I can move it around, right? I can hit the 3 dots that show up. I can lock it. These are not locked, right? I can put these, again, in any order. Again, very simple, very quick, right? All I'm doing is adding a video. There's a lot of different ways I can make this prettier, but I just wanted to show you. This is the basic idea of build, right? Listen. They're listening to you give instructions, and then they're building or they're making something. Hopefully this helps. When I'm done, again, I hit this green button. It may take a second for me to upload my information into the activity. You can see that this is the template for the students. I could type my instructions here, and then I can hit save, and then my assignment is ready to assign. You can see here's my assignment. You can see I have 2 pages. There's the math one, and there's the Elkonin boxes. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea of simply just adding some video to you and listen and make. Now, I said I'd show you where these are. These are going to be available at Coach Ben. And you go to Coach Ben, you can see right here Seesaw icons. You can just click on these, and they're free. CoachBen.org, CoachBen.org. And so these were adapted from a first grade teacher in Oceanside who blew them up, and so you could get them like this. Anyways, hopefully that helps. Again, this was a quick tip with the whole idea that you can listen and make activity in Seesaw. So add some fancy backgrounds if you want to. Add some more other images if you want to. Maybe that'll be the next quick tip video. Hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.